Hello guys, welcome to Happy Steamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. And guys, at first make sure that you have updated your Snapchat. So let's continue into your Snapchat app. Now go to your profile. Swipe down. Then you can find the option create public profile. However, if you don't see this option are here, I will see you how can you find it. Now tap on the settings icon in the right side of corner. Swipe down. So guys, you can see there be a couple options you want to change. So the first option, contact me, tap on it. And make sure it's turned to be everyone. Now go back. Now tap on view my story. And make sure it's turned to everyone. And then tap on see me in quick add. Also turn it on. And that's how. Just go to all of this privacy and make sure it's turned to everyone. Now go back. Swipe down. And tap on create public profile. Now tap on continue. Tap on get started. And tap on create. So guys, that's it. That's how you can make a public profile on Snapchat very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.